Hi, I'm Ella Carlson. I'd like to invite you to join me at the Professional Photographers Society of New York State Convention, Focus New York at the Via Roma Resort in Callicoon, New York, from March 2nd to March 5th, 2019. I will be presenting a 90-minute program called A Universe of Possibilities, Painting in Photoshop, during which I'll show you some of my methods for creating unique and original art pieces from photographs of ordinary everyday items, like this one, which was created from a glass of iced tea. Even if you don't plan on visiting galaxies far, far away, I'm sure you'll be entertained and maybe even inspired by some of what you'll see. Not only from my presentation, but New York is bringing in some major talent for this convention. Check it out, and I hope to see you in March.